what is your problem now? What are you struggling with? Yes? Yes. You have two questions. Ask one first. How to make good communication? It means how to communicate well. Is this the question? Okay. So when we talk about communication, and there are so many people, like sometimes we search some videos on internet and we search about communication, improving communication. So we see people like record videos and they say learn about your communication, improve your communication in 7 minutes, improve your communication in 10 minutes, and how can you be master communicator in 15 minutes and all those things. I don't believe in these things. If you think that you are going to improve your communication in one video after watching the video of 10 minutes and you think that you will become a good communicator, it is not going to be. Alright, it is not going to be possible. So what we have to do, we have to understand that it is a kind of long journey. It can be developed on daily basis. So thing is that how to develop, how to improve it, as you told that sir, how to improve it. Okay. So first and foremost, we need to understand that if we talk about our communication skill, it is kind of a long journey. So we have to understand that we have to improve it daily. We have to observe our communication daily. So by observing our communication skill every day, whenever we are talking to people, when we have this awareness, we have this kind of observation, when we will talk to people and when we will see our communication, that how we are talking, how we are speaking, what kind of impact we are making when we are speaking, how people are reacting, how they are responding. If we don't observe these kind of things, we are never going to improve our communication. Now all the tips and techniques, and there are so many videos that we can watch, and there are so many books that we can read, but we have to understand that I have to observe myself. It means we have to observe ourselves on daily basis, that when I talk, how people respond and react. Are they responding and reacting properly? Is it making sense when I am talking? What is the level of my voice? How I am sharing my message? Is it easy or not? Is it audible or not? How they are responding? So when we start doing it, means when we turn on our observation on daily basis, and we start recording all those things, and we think about that every day when we talk to people. Somebody come, when, for example, if I am sitting here and somebody comes to meet me and they talks to me, or they talk to me and I talk to them, and after that I observe that what kind of communication was it, what did I learn from this communication, what was my fault when I was talking, what I did not speak that should be spoken, what mistake I made. If I don't understand these things, if I don't learn from these communications, these conversations, we are not going to observe it and we are not going to learn from it. And when we are not learning it, it is never going to happen that after watching 10 minutes of video or 15 minutes of video, we are going to improve our communication. It's not so. It's not that much easy. So the thing is that I want to leave in this video is that we have to observe our communication daily. And there are so many good communicators, you read about them, you watch them, you see their interviews and all those things. It can be learned how they are talking, but how we will improve, it will be improved by our observation skill only. It will be improved by our observation skill only. And if we don't have good observation skill, we are never going to improve it. So are you satisfied? Have you got your answer? Yes? So what is the answer? Observation. What is the answer? Observation. And is it for 1 day or 2 days or 3 days or for long time? It is for long time. We can be better every day. We can communicate good every day. We can communicate we can change our communication. So whenever we speak, we have to understand that thing, that how we are speaking. So if we talk about learning, there are so many platforms from where you can see good communicators. But how you will improve, this is because of your observation skill. Is that okay? So this is about observation. Okay, communication. Next question.